School safety is a top priority for our local educators, and this summer, many of our educators had the opportunity to participate in several training programs to ensure that our kids are safe when they return to the classroom this fall. One of the programs is on threat assessment. So this week on Dateline Schools, you had the opportunity to talk to the presenter of this program. She's school psychologist Courtney McCarthy, who's from Salem, Oregon. And Courtney, can you explain to us what you mean when we talk about threat assessment?
Yeah, so threat assessment is really a process designed to prevent acts of targeted violence. So by that I mean violence where somebody has selected the person they want to harm, are thinking, planning, and preparing to carry that out. So threat assessment is a way to identify those people who are at risk, assess the concerns, and get management strategies in place to reduce the risk.
And so this is really something that's put in place in addition to what schools may already do when they kind of get wind of something may be happening.
Absolutely. So most schools are doing this to some extent. What I'm providing here are a set of protocols and procedures to really formalize that process and to make sure that people are using best practices.
So what was your message to our local educators in your program?
Well, the message really is that threat assessment is a research-based and validated way to assess these concerns in our schools. So we address the ways that administrators and school officials could do that and really gave the message that we want to keep kids in school safely whenever possible. So we need to give support to these kids in order to do that.
Really not an indication that what schools aren't doing enough. This is just how we can do it even better, right?
Absolutely.
We'll be back with more tomorrow. For Dateline Schools, I'm Terry Harrington.